Actually, I wanted to start on Monday and today is Wednesday, but I decided to make 3 videos, so this is the last one for today, and I will jump straight to it. Like the most common question, because I decided that this channel will be a lot about your questions, so put them to the comments, and about investing, about money, about your portfolio, or if somebody offer you, hey, this is too good to be true investment, I can check it. And basically leave the comments and I will answer them or make video answer. But the most common question is, where should I invest? It's a company A like Apple, or it's company B like Microsoft or whatever. And basically what I discovered, or in those years, why I am successful as investors and with people, because we don't invest, it's the wrong question, because they basically ask, should I invest in company A or company B? And it doesn't matter, because if you are a beginner investor that want to build portfolio, because you don't have 10 hotels, you don't have, I don't know, stock market, you don't have like 20 companies already, you are not CEO of IBM, so you want to build your portfolio. And it's not about stock A and stock B, it's more about asset classes. If you want to be long-term successful investor, you need to have money in more asset classes. It's like real estate, it's like stock, it's like business, and I will show you in next video how we do it and exactly what products we are using as investments. So let's say if you want to build portfolio, you need to build it from the stock, you need to build it from real estate, you can have part in a business, that's what we do. And what we have there more, yes, we have them loans and bonds. And basically this is our portfolio. So you should not be asking stock A or stock B, but you should invest in all those assets, you know. Then your portfolio in time, this is time, then your portfolio grows like this. If you buy just company A or company B, now the crisis is here and you go down 40%. And it doesn't matter if you have company A or company B if whole stock market goes down. But our portfolio went down like almost zero because we have multiple assets and a lot of them have fixed income. Most of them have fixed income. And you are just watching which one is low, is the same low, is the same rule what I mentioned in first video. Buy low, sell high, okay? If something goes up, down, and it's down, buy it, okay? So, if the stock is down, basically you have some money. You get the money from work, from, I don't know, family, you get it after parents. So you just check which one is low down and you just invest there. Now it's stock today. But for example, half a year ago when people and investors were asking, we were buying every month a little bit stock, but really low amount, almost like 80%. We were putting to more assets, to different assets, because the stock market was high, it was not overvalued. But let's say there was no big opportunity, but now there is opportunity. So now you can put their money. And I will show you where exactly in the stock. But even if the stock is now good to buy, you should still be buying another assets, and that's the magic. And I will go in another episodes. So subscribe and I will teach you how to make money while you sleep. And I'll make coffee, finally. What was the last question? The most common question. Like really, if I should invest in stock A, stock B. I remember when I started many years ago and I bought first stock, and it was exactly this. I was watching it every day and so on. Now I manage a couple of €1 million and I don't watch stock market. I watch overall the portfolio and we know what we are doing. So basically we know that the stock is fine and it's in portfolio for some reason and it's doing exactly what it should do, and you don't need to watch it. It's a beauty. Then you can be like 2 months on holidays and you don't care. Friends are calling me, hey, the stock market is down 6%. So what? It can be down 40%. We just, buy more stock. But overall, for you as investor, long-term investor, doesn't care if its stock is down, up, okay, it's down, and what? Because you have more assets and the stock is just like, let's say 30%, 20%, whatever. But you have another income which is not touched. From real estate we still have monthly payment from rent and so on. So it doesn't change. People still pay rent. Okay, we have some portfolio in Spain and probably even in Czech Republic and so on, when we need to halt payment because it's law now by government to support some families. So okay, we don't have problem as investor. It will be our but what we will lost? We will lost like 2 months of payments. So from like 10% a year, we will make like 8% a year. Okay, whatever. We can share a little bit the impact of the virus, so no problem. So let's see you tomorrow in next episode, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Send the questions to the comments. What you are interested in, what you are buying now, or what you think about to buy, and I will answer it.